News foreign correspondent Janice Mackey-Freyer. Janice, on top of all that, people in the area are dealing with the aftershocks. What's the latest you're hearing?
Well, rescue teams have been working through the night and all day today in freezing cold temperatures, trying to find survivors in the rubble. There are nearly 2,000 firefighters who are at the epicenter right now. They are also setting up temporary shelters. But officials are asking people, warning people who want to volunteer to help out to stay away from the area because there are still aftershocks. The initial quake struck around midnight. The tremors were felt for 20 seconds. They were felt hundreds of miles away, according to state media. And at 10 o'clock this morning, there were still aftershocks, one of them measuring magnitude 4.1. So officials are saying it's still a very volatile area, a dangerous area. They have more rescue teams on standby if need be.
Janice, let's talk more about the temperatures. -4 degrees at the epicenter when this earthquake hit, according to state media. How has the cold made it even more challenging for rescue workers?
Well, it happened in a part of China where earthquakes are not uncommon, but this quake is on course to be one of the deadliest in the past decade. What has been complicating efforts is the fact that it's just so cold. Much of northern China has been caught up in a cold wave. We're feeling it here in Beijing. In that area, it's remote, it's mountainous. Electricity and water infrastructure have also been affected. Rescue officials are saying the first 72 hours after an earthquake are the most critical, and the fact that it's so bitterly cold is hampering those efforts. Videos show people rushing out of their homes when the quake happened and into the bitter cold night, huddling in the darkness. So it's a complicated effort, not only to try to dig through the rubble, but also provide warmth and safety for the people who made it out.
And on top of everything else, this is also one of China's poorest provinces, home to about 260,000 people. How is that impacting everything right now?
Well, this is at the edge of the Qinghai Tibetan Plateau. It's mountainous, it's remote, and rural. The housing construction is more basic compared to other parts of the country. This is also a poor part of the country, so houses just aren't built to sustain this kind of earthquake. China's earthquake administration said that the quake was shallow and it was strong. They measured it at magnitude 6.2. The initial USGS assessment puts it at magnitude 5.9. China's government, Xi Jinping himself, has ordered an all-out search and rescue effort. Money is being deployed, equipment is being deployed. Again, the focus is to try to find survivors, get others to safety and to warmth, because the worry, of course, is that the toll of this quake is going to rise. Joe?
All right. Janice Mackey-Freyer. Janice, thank you so much.